got multiple people doing that.
What the fuck? What are you playing mind games for?
Leave. You in the gown, leave.
Oh, okay.
Are we sure that's a driver?
Alright.
So, this Danny needs to... Daniel!
Ah!
Danny, hang on. Danny, stop punching, I'm gonna beam back. No need for that, sir. There's no need for that fucking punching. Right. Sir, how are you going, Dad?
Good before that.
So, you're... No, leave him alone. Leave him alone. You don't need to push him. Right. So, what's going on today? Like, you're in the back of the truck.
Stop it, or you'll be being bagged.
Stop. Just no more. I'm trying to have a conversation with you, sir. Right. What's going on with you up here from being in that truck? Were you the driver of the truck? Can you identify?
I was a hostage.
So leave the area.
You're a hostage?
Leave the area.
Yeah.
Right.
I was contemplating jumping off, but no, I'm
Okay.
safe.
Do you know? Can you identify the hostage takers? Can someone get this Danny out of here? Like, he's not part of this whole. He's not part of this whole thing. Like, he can just leave. Right. So can you identify the hostage takers? What were they wearing?
You'll never catch me.
You all good? Yeah. Do you need any medical treatment or anything? Piss off.
How'd you get up there?
Piss off. You're not needed in this conversation. You're just inserting yourself in this conversation, sir. Leave. Please. No. Help. Help.
Sorry.
Help.
Alright, I'm gonna let you go. I want you to climb down the ladder, okay? Hello.
What's going on up here? Oh, this is interesting.
Right. Sir, please go down the ladder.
Get out, Daniel. Get out.
I want you to leave this area
Yeah, I'll take them away.
immediately.
How the
Hey,
fuck
cousin,
did you do that?
don't punch. Stop punching.
Good at jumping.
Listen to the officer. And leave.
Santa, come up here.
Puta madre! Fuck it!
What the fuck?
Cocksucker! No, not the Denny. I don't have a firearm yet.
Drive
Daddy.
quickly. Anywhere.